guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sushma and today I have come with something very different from my previous videos, and that is also one of the reasons I'm not making videos very often these days, as I always think that what if there are videos, it should provide some value to the viewers. So let's start today's video. Most of the video ideas I have, we have to display materialistic items, like I said before, which I'm not a completely believer of, like whatever clothes or jewelry, accessories or food items, etc., which definitely we most of us don't want to promote, because there are many people who are suffering without the basic needs of life. So but in spite of all this, sometimes we cannot uh, eliminate certain aspects from our life, like clothing, lifestyle and food. And realizing this, definitely why can't we make videos on that, right? And today, to make each and every fabric, there is fabric or cloth, there is lot of time, effort and resources from earth which are being utilized. So when we, of course, people are becoming conscious after this corona, in buying things and in spending money on certain things which are not of high value. So today I'm gonna show you, of course this video will be useful as I have used, basically we are kind of reusing the material here. The idea of this video is to reuse clothes and minimize the earth resources usage, because there is a lot of earth resources being consumed for manufacturing clothes. So let us see how I have reused the clothes which I had at home. And why late? Let's start with the video. To start with, this is the frock which we got stitched for my 4-year-old daughter, and maybe you can look closely. And this we have got it done from the blouse piece which my mother was not using. Basically this is a sari blouse, and she didn't use this, and this was also a sari blouse, and she didn't want this material because it is a bit thicker, and we have used those clothes and got this frock stitched for my daughter. I think and basically you may need some, you may have to have idea on color combinations to get this done, and this is the output. Let us see the next frock. This is the next frock. This is basically my mother's sari. This is an old sari which she is not utilizing. From the same sari we got a gagra done for one of my friend's daughter, which is long back, and now there was some material left, and we got this frock stitched for my daughter. Because I'm at my hometown now, stitching charges are not too high like in Bangalore, so we got this frock done. And this is some kind of silk material, so we can, my daughter can use it for some festivals or some puja ceremonies. So I definitely like this peach color. So let's move to the next item. This is another frock which is also a blouse piece basically, and my mother was not using it, so we got this frock stitched for her, and this is the bottom. This is also a blouse piece, And yeah, these are all the material which were not used and they were just at home. And basically my mother was saying this from a long time, but I was not interested because we didn't have that time. We just come for a weekend, move, and we don't have time for all that. But now we have sufficient time so that we can invest our creativity in all these. So this is another frock. This is a cotton frock, and yeah, this my daughter has already wore for Dasara. Yeah, this has been already worn. Let's see the next item. This is another one, which is also a material which was just at home and unused. So this black net type of material was also unused, and so we got a frock done from this material. And it has nice this modern sleeves which kind of pops up. And yeah, and there is a flower here, which is all the creativity of the tailor. So yes, we got this also done. And there is another frock and a couple of more frocks. One of it is my daughter is wearing it because I wanted her to display, but she has gone for playing now. So basically the idea is utilize your lockdown time, and if you have creative idea or something, please invest your time in that. And of course please let us all together utilize earth resources sparingly and promote reuse and recycle. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you find this video worth your valuable, please you can like it or just comment, because I'm hesitating to make videos because I don't want to show off anything or promote materialistic things. But I now understand that they are a part of life, and we cannot escape from it. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel and share the video if you for your friends and family. They might find it useful in some way. Thank you so much. Bye bye.